the unusual winter storm that pasted parts of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina with ice and snow Wednesday explosively intensified Wednesday night, becoming one of the strongest East Coast winter storms in modern history. While winding down over the mid-Atlantic, the monster storm was plastering parts of the northeast coast with heavy snow and high winds Thursday evening. Winter storm crashes into East Coast as bomb cyclone arrives with snow and blizzard warnings. Blizzard warnings extend from the Virginia Tidewater region up the coast to eastern Maine, including Ocean City, Atlantic City, eastern Long Island, Boston, and Portland, Maine. These locations have all witnessed extremely heavy snow, exceeding a foot in some locations, and wind gusts of at least 40 to 60 mph. Between Wednesday and Thursday morning, the storm strengthened at an astonishing rate, surpassing the meteorological criteria to be considered a so-called bomb cyclone. A storm is classified as such if its pressure falls 24 millibars in 24 hours. This storm's pressure tanked 53 millibars in 21 hours, and 59 millibars in 24 hours, which puts it into the upper echelon of the most explosive East Coast storms ever observed, and perhaps even at the top. "No need to duck and cover, this is the bomb cyclone," explained. As the storm blossomed Wednesday and early Thursday with thunderstorms erupting around its comma-shaped center, forecasters expressed pure awe at the meteorological marvel. "Jaw, meat floor," tweeted Sam Lillo, a meteorology PhD student. The storm expanded over enormous territory, even drawing moisture from deep in the Caribbean. This morning's number goes east view of the powerful number bomb cyclone as it batters the East Coast with heavy snow and strong winds. Number nor'easter number blizzard 2018. More satellite imagery, https://t-co/mgriot68pic.twitter.com/qblv8x5qcm. NOAA Satellites, at NOAA Satellites, January 4, 2018. The National Weather Service warned the storm's howling winds would likely result in power outages. On Thursday afternoon, several wind gusts of at least 70 mph were clocked in coastal Massachusetts, including around Nantucket. "This storm is intense," tweeted the National Weather Service office in Boston. "Expect the unexpected." With a blizzard raging, these rescuers set out on a doomed mission for an icebound island. At the coast, major flood was reported in eastern New England as the ocean swelled ashore. The Weather Service tweeted Boston's tide observation was nearing its highest level ever recorded, since 1921, early Thursday afternoon. It said it was getting inundated with coastal flood reports, some of the worst in recent history. Barnstable Harbor gone crazy. pic.twitter.com/krp2sz0j8m. Charles Orloff, at Charles Orloff, January 4, 2018. Offshore New England and Nova Scotia, models predicted wave heights up to 5 stories tall. The fast-moving storm is expected to pass by Thursday night when the blizzard warnings will expire, but, in its wake, the mother lode of numbing cold is forecast to crash south, likely to be the last but most bitter in brutal blasts since Christmas Eve in the Northeast. On Thursday evening, the sprawling storm was hammering the northeast coast, while snows were tapering off in the mid-Atlantic.